Welcome to OTS. My name is Andy. Yeah, now let's to talk about the how to operate of the impact tester. Okay, first we have to connect the power and open the power switch here, right? And open the computer and the software, right? And open the software. Yeah, we have the Russian language and English language and Chinese language. Now we choose the English language. Uh, uh, there are two. Uh, there are two pendulum. We choose. Now the pendulum we have fixed installed is the 25 20 250 joule, so we choose 250 joule. and then the next steps is we have to new and set tap the some informations yeah. For example, yeah, this one is for the for your sample information and first we have to tap the test report information and the sample and the information of your sample. Okay, and after we have to make the pendulum swim up, race, right? Race. Yeah, and the next step we have to put your sample to the right position. Yeah. Okay. This is the sample. Yeah. Yeah, it's sample. Yeah, this is sample. And use the tools to check the right position. Okay. And then the next step we have to pin shock. Yeah, pin shock. That means this is the pin shock. And then we click the impact. Okay, impact. Ready, go. Boom. Okay, you can see it's broken. And to do the second sample, usually we need to do 3 times for the same sample. Now it's the second sample, and pin back, and then to impact. Boom. Okay. Now, as you can see, the test report serve the test parameters and to word report. Yeah, this is the test report. We do it. Yeah, the maximum energy. Yeah, 2 times average. We can. Yes, normally we can do 3 times for one test. Yeah, and then we can print the report by the printer. Okay, now let's check the sample. Check the sample. Yeah. Wow. Crazy. And This is the original one, right? Original one, right? And this is the tested one. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much.